Sawblade.com carries a line of aftermarket replacement parts for the Amada Bandsaws, ranging from blade guides, blade brushes, hydraulic pumps, belts, bearings, band wheels, and a few other odds and ends that we have. Amada's been in business since the end of World War II, so there's a lot of Amada machines out there. And sometimes it's difficult finding the right part. You can call our customer service and we can walk you through it. In the age of digitalization, you can send us a picture of the part and we can try and match it up. We have a wealth of knowledge here in Houston that is service bandsaws, and particularly Amadas, so we're pretty well versed on it. And we're kind of the one-stop place to get blades, parts, and the information on how to use those blades and parts. It's what makes us unique in this industry.